Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. Lemon water is a fantastic, flavorful alternative to plain water that has lots of health benefits. It has become a popular morning beverage, since it's been claimed to help improve your mood, energy levels, immune system and metabolic health. Adding lemon to your water may help you drink more throughout the day to help you stay hydrated. Here are 11 benefits of drinking lemon water. Number 1. Improves your digestive health. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. Lemon juice not only encourages healthy digestion by loosening toxins in your digestive tract, it helps to relieve symptoms of indigestion such as heartburn, burping, and bloating. Number 2. Keeps the right balance of minerals in your body. Centuries before energy drinks, lemon water was used as a dehydration treatment. During exercise we lose electrolytes through sweat. Adding a slice of lemon to your water can help replenish electrolytes and the body's natural minerals. Number 3. Improves eyesight. Being rich in vitamin C also has a positive effect on your eyesight, as this will help prevent eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataract. It also contains a bit of vitamin A, another key nutrient for good vision. Number 4. Makes your skin radiant. Its antioxidant properties help you get more radiant skin from the inside out by repairing damaged cells, flushing out toxins and killing free radicals that can ruin our skin. Number 5. Lemons are your liver's best friend. Lemon water helps flush out the toxins in your body by enhancing enzyme function, stimulating your liver. Number 6. Lemons are rich in potassium. Lemons are high in potassium, which is good for heart health, as well as brain and nerve function. Number 7. A lemon a day keeps the doctor away. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is great for fighting colds. Vitamin C helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, and lower blood pressure. Number 8. It's an inflammation buster. If you drink lemon water regularly, it will decrease the acidity in your body. It removes uric acid in your joints, which is one of the main causes of inflammation. Number 9. Helps maintain pH perfection. Lemon water can stabilize your pH level and blood sugar, helping your body naturally detoxify. They are acidic on their own, but inside our bodies they're alkaline. Number 10. Boosts your metabolism. Lemons help increase your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories and store less fat. It is also high in pectin fiber, which helps fight hunger cravings. Number 11. You'll step away from coffee. Lemon is a natural energy booster. It contains negative charged ions, providing your body with more energy when it enters the digestive tract. The smell of lemon juice can brighten your mood and help clear your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel.